Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm a fellow at Churchill College, Cambridge, and I interview in engineering here and in a few other colleges. I'm going to give you a few hints and tips on how you can set up for a technical interview in engineering or any technical subject where you might be required to write or draw answers that it is useful for your interviewer to be able to see. Use equipment that you are comfortable with. So in these videos I'm going to go through a few setups, and I will be using the high-tech method of pencil and paper. When you're picking a pen, make sure that it's something your interviewers can see. So do that by checking it out in advance and maybe hold your writing up to the phone camera. It needn't be expensive and you don't have to buy any new kit. A really simple way is to just tilt the laptop screen towards your paper. From your interviewer's perspective, it will be upside down, but don't worry, we can cope. Another method is using a low-cost phone holder. This is called a gooseneck phone holder. I bought it offline for about £10. So they hold your phone really securely with different kinds of clip mechanisms, and then you can just suspend it above your work. From your interviewer's perspective, it looks great. There's a trick when you're setting it up, because if you just tilt the phone over, then when you rotate it round, you'll see that it rotates your writing to be on its side. But if instead, when you're holding your phone upright, you then tip it into landscape mode, you'll see the camera will reorient, and when you hold it above your work, then the paper should keep the same orientation. You needn't buy any new kit. Feel free to use whatever you have at home. We've seen suitcases, we've seen stacks of books, piles of tin cans, whatever you have around. There is no judgment here, we just want to see what you're writing and how you think. So instead of using just a stack of books, I wanted it to be extra secure, and I used a sleeve of paper attached to the books just to hold my phone in, so I didn't get sellotape on my phone or risk it falling out on the table midway. So I just slip the phone under a piece of paper, tape the paper on at both sides to make a little sleeve, and put another book on top of it to hold it safe. I've shown you a few ways that you can show you're working for online interviews. Interviewers want to hear your thought processes and your logical reasoning. You don't need to spend money, and we're not assessing the tech that you have or that you're using.